When I first heard that Microsoft was entering the managed security services, I said, well, it's about time.
Davis, Graham & Stubbs is a Denver-based law firm. We service all clients in mergers and acquisitions, in general corporate and tax and finance transactions.
Protecting client data is the utmost important concept for us.
When we are hired with a new client, one of their initial questions is almost always, what security measures do you have in place? Will our documents and data be safe?
We get security audit requests coming from the clients on a regular basis. I think their elevated concern around the cybersecurity is definitely forcing them to gather more information. Some of the challenges we're facing in our small IT team is lack of in-house knowledge of some of the security threats that we're facing. Even a group of 4 or 5 individuals focusing around security is not sufficient. At the end of the day, we want a service provider like Microsoft. Part of our interactions with Microsoft Defender experts for XDR is weekly calls and monthly reports that we receive. Our team learns from those interactions how to address what really happened, how severe it is, and other things that we can do going forward. My goal is not just be reactive in the security area, but also be more proactive. I think that's where the Microsoft Defender experts are giving us that kind of angle that we haven't seen before from any other providers. It's almost like hiring 10,000 pair of hands and minds from Microsoft because of their collective knowledge. Exposures or other instances that they've seen really gives us an edge that we can go back to our clients and say, look, we're not just monitoring our own industry, we're also monitoring what's happening around your own business.
When I have conversations with clients about how we are protecting their data, I have the luxury to explain to them that we really have at this point a best-in-class framework.
I feel great about partnering with Microsoft. You need to partner with great companies like Microsoft that are forward-thinking and that are going to help keep you on the cutting edge.
When I first started about 5 years ago, we had more than 3 dozen vendors serving our small firm. As of today, we're down to 10. We can compete against the bigger competitor in the market, and I think in a way I see Microsoft almost like a SMB superhero. They come in and they give us all the tools that we want. I think it's more than a customer-vendor relationship. For me, it's more like a partnership.